SS Fam, welcome back to the SS Fam kitchen. How are you all doing? I know you all are doing great. It's your girl Sarah and I'm a mother of 4. We are based in Canada, Ottawa to be precise. We are we're going to be cooking delicious, yumilicious, mouth-watering vegetable stir fry. And let me introduce you guys to the ingredients. Let's go. So guys, these are the ingredients we're going to be using for this yumilicious stir fry. By the time I am cooking it, I'm going to be introducing the ingredients to you guys one by one. So let's start cooking. So guys, this is boiled water. This is how I normally do mine. Just boil the water. Sometimes I don't even use boiled water. I just go ahead and put my oil. I don't like it over. Me and my kids, we actually eat it like this. We eat it raw. So I'm doing same for the cauliflower. Sometimes you can just boil your water in a pot, then pour your veggies in and take it out. I'm not going to leave it for a very long time, guys. See, that's what I'm looking for. So if you are hearing any noise, Kian, you guys already know Kian. Kian cannot stop shouting. I don't know why. He does not see me, that's why he'll be shouting da. So look at that color, guys. All green up. Whoa, exactly how I want it, guys. You see? I didn't leave it long, just the way you guys see. I never pause the camera. Pour, turn green the way I want it, fresh. Look at that. You know, cauliflower is strong. It's not as soft as broccoli, so I'll give it a moment. So let's go back to the cooking pot. Granite oil. I'm going to be using olive oil. That's the olive oil. And when you are cooking your stir fry, guys, the secret is not, you don't need low heat. I don't cook my stir fry on a low heat. I cook it on a high heat. So my cooking gas right now is on high. So we'll wait for the oil to heat up, then we begin the cooking. In a bowl, guys, I'm going to be putting my beef. So it's already chopped. Then I'm going to be using soy sauce. So guys, this soy sauce, I'll show you, it's 3 combo that I have here. I'll show you guys in a jiffy. So that's it. In here we have curry powder and we have thyme. So I'll put a little bit of thyme, a little bit of curry powder, a little bit of salt. Then we stir together. When you are cooking your food, there are some certain things you don't like to add in your own food. Don't put it. If you don't like curry, don't use it. I will lower it. Look at that color, guys. We're gonna allow it to fry. So guys, the cauliflower is perfect enough. Hear that crunch? Perfect, just the way I want it. So guys, did you see that? Did you see that yumminess? First of all, releases its natural water, and I also left it. Now that water has dried up, it's frying perfectly. So I'm going to allow it to fry. So while it is frying, I'm just going to go ahead and introduce my shrimp. I'm going to use my garlic. My garlic. If you don't like garlic, omit it, guys. Ginger, omit it, guys. If you don't like it, but I love it. The flavor that comes with ginger and garlic is heavenly. So that's how our onions is looking now. A little bit translucent. So now I'm going to use my bacon, guys. It is there. I'm going to use my hot dog. This is smoked sausage. This honey is going to take this food to another dimension. That's just a bit, not too much, not too much. So that's natural honey I bought from the farmer's market. Allow everything to marry together, let them marinate together. It's time to introduce everything back in the pot. Look at that. Ooh, just like so, guys, for flavor. At this point, you test for the salt to be sure that the salt is good enough. I'm just going to now introduce this. I'm just going to add a little bit of my soy sauce like so, because this is the secret of the dish. Just a little bit of honey like that. Then stir. Let everything marry together, like I always say, marinate together, then taste. Ooh, look at that. Guys, if you watch this video and you like it, you enjoy the recipe, please share the recipe so that Sister Amaka can cook this for her husband too. Or so that Brother Solomon can cook this for Sister Amaka. You get it? This is yummy-licious and delicious, guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Also turn on the notification, guys, so you'll be notified each time we upload a video. Don't forget, guys, this woman here, I love you guys. I love you all, SS fam. Anyway, I'm gonna demolish this my own with rice. So tell me, guys, what do you eat your veggies with? See? Look at that. Now it's cooked enough, just the way I want it, guys. So if you like what you see, please share the video, like, subscribe, and give us a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for always watching. I love you just the way you love me. Don't forget that. Peace. We out. The soy sauce. This is the 3 combination of the soy sauce that I use. So any lucky person that watched to the end will be the person to see the soy sauce. This is the combo, guys.